Gaba Primary English Class 3. Chapter number 2, The Kids Club. Kamran, Alina and Wasim lived in Al-Karam apartments. It had 12 floors. More than 100 people lived. In the building, there was no place to play except for the staircase. Alina did not like the staircase. It was dark and dirty, but Kamran said it's the best place to play. Come, I'll show you how to have fun. The children took the lift to the top floor. Then Kamran whispered, Come on, get busy. Everybody ring a bell and run. Ring a bell? Asked Alina. What for? To see the fun, Kamran replied. Come on, he pushed her towards the stairs. Start running, or they'll catch you. They pressed the buttons of the doorbells of 3 flats and ran down the stairs. 6 floors below, they stopped to listen to the uproar of angry voices. What's going on here? Said a person. Who rang the bell? Shouted another voice. Wait till I catch you, a voice said. Wait till I catch you, Wasim repeated. This is the best game I have ever played, Kamran said. Come on, let us do it again. The children did it again and again. For 1 week they never got caught. Then one day they rang the bell of a flat on the 8th floor. Suddenly the door opened and an old man stood in front of them. What do you think this is? He asked quietly. Fun? Alina stared at him. Her heart raced. She turned and ran down the stairs with Wasim and Kamran close behind. Kamran slipped and hit his leg against the railing. Oh, my leg, my leg! Kamran cried out with pain. Come on, get up, Kamran, Wasim pleaded. I can hear footsteps. The old man is coming down. You run, Kamran moaned. I can't move. We aren't leaving you, said Alina, but she felt scared when she heard the footsteps. Fearfully, she looked up at the old man. He stood shaking his head as he muttered, You naughty children, running down the steps like this. You could have killed yourself. Then he bent over Kamran and felt his leg. It's all right, he said gently. No bones are broken, just a cut. Come with me, I'll bandage it. The children followed the old man to his flat. Come in, children, he said. I am Shakil. We are very sorry, sir. All three of them spoke together. Well, that's all right, kids. Now that you have known you were doing something wrong, said Mr. Shakil. He started bandaging Kamran's leg. Let's be friends, call me Shakil uncle, he said and smiled. There's no place for us to play, Shakil uncle, Alina said. Shakil uncle patted her cheek. I have an idea, he said. Since I live alone, I have a spare room. We can form a kids club in it. Then all the building kids can meet here and do whatever they like, except mischief, said Shakil uncle with a twinkle in his eye.